actually here, Oliver. Our very first day at university.
I know. I can't believe it's finally happening. I'm excited and terrified at the same time.
This place is even more beautiful than the photos online. Look at these cherry trees.
It really is something special. Right, we should find the registration office first.
According to this map, the registration office is in the main administration building, that way.
Perfect, and after that we have our first lecture at 10 in the science block. We have plenty of time.
Look at all these clubs. There's photography, debate, film society, hiking. I want to join everything.
One step at a time. Let's survive the first day before we sign up for anything.
There are so many buildings here. I can't work out which one is the administration building.
This sign says main block is left, but the map shows it's straight ahead.
Should we just ask someone? Excuse me, could you tell us where the administration is for registration, please?
Of course, you're going the right way. It's the large red brick building straight ahead with the clock tower. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. Is there somewhere we can get a coffee for registration, or is it too early for the cafeteria?
The student union's at 8. It's just past the clock tower building on your left. They do excellent lattes.
Wow, this building is incredible. It looks like something from a film.
Right, this is it. Ready? First day of university officially starts now.
Look at those ceilings.
I can see the registration queue over there. Looks like we're not the only nervous freshers today.
Right, they need our student ID number, our course details, and our home address.
I've got everything ready. Good thinking. Acceptance letter. I'm sure I put it in this front pocket.
Quick, what would you say if you got lost on your first day?
Tell us in the comments, and keep watching. And keep watching, the best part is coming.
Good morning, I'm here to register. My name is Zoe Carter, student number 247831.
Good morning, Zoe. Welcome to City University. Let me pull up your records.
Could I see? Here's my passport. I also have my acceptance letter and my health insurance form if you need those.
Excellent. You've come very well prepared. That's exactly what we need. Let me just check your enrollment on the system. All confirmed. Here's your student welcome pack and your university ID card. Please keep that with you at all times.
Oh wow, it's official. I actually have my student card now. Thank you so much. Could you explain how the timetable works? I can see I have lectures and seminars, but I'm not sure of the difference.
Of course. Lectures are large group sessions with the whole year, and seminars are smaller discussion groups. Your first lecture today is at 10 o'clock that's in the science block. Your professor is Dr. Matthews.
Dr. Matthews, Science Block, Lecture Hall 3 at 10. Got it. And which building is the library, please?
Good morning, I'm next. Oliver Bennett, student number 24-6219. I'm studying engineering.
Welcome, Oliver. Let me find your records. You are on the same course as your classmates.
That wasn't as nerve-wracking as I expected. She was incredibly helpful and kind.
Registration? Done. Now we've got about 40 minutes before our first lecture.
Coffee first? Ooh, they have an oat milk latte with hazelnut. That's exactly what I need this morning.
I'm going for a strong flat white and whatever that is. Morning glory breakfast wrap. I'm starving.
Could I have an oat milk latte with hazelnut, please?
Of course! Is it your first day? I can always tell the new students. Welcome to City University. You're gonna love it here.
Look at this view. Cherry blossoms, morning sunshine. I think I'm gonna love university.
If every morning here, I won't complain. Our first lecture starts in 20 minutes. We should head to the science block soon.
This is it, the science block. Lecture Hall 3 should be on the ground floor, according to my welcome pack.
I actually feel quite nervous now that we're here. Ready to meet Dr. Matthews and 200 other students?
Hi, are you here for Dr. Matthews' lecture as well? I'm Zoe. It's my first day, and I'm still getting used to the campus. Oh, thank goodness, I'm Sarah, and yes, same here. Sarah, this is my friend Oliver. We went to the same sixth form college, and we're both starting here today.
Good to meet you, Sarah. What course are you on?
We're both studying engineering.
I'm studying computer science with artificial intelligence. I know it sounds about 12.
That sounds absolutely. I love that you've always known what you wanted to study. 5 times before applying.
After you both, welcome to the first lecture of the rest of our lives, ladies.
Ooh, that was very dramatic. I like him already, Zoe.
Let's sit in the middle. Not too close that we look try-hard, not too far back that we can't hear.
The middle row it is. Strategic thinking, I like it.
I've already got my notebook out.
Can I ask you something? Do you find it scary being with so many students?
A little, yes. But that's the exciting part. Half these people could be our closest friends. Have you ever been nervous starting something completely new? Comment how you handled it.
We are about to have our first lecture. Stay with us. Things are about to get interesting.
I am Dr. Matthews, and I am delighted to welcome you all to City University.
He seems brilliant. I love that kind of... Excuse me, Dr. Matthews, creative problem solving in an engineering context?
Excellent question, and exactly the kind of thinking I want to encourage. Let me give you a real-world example.
That was brilliant. First impression with the professor? Perfect.
I was terrified, but I thought, what's the worst that could happen? Just ask.
For next week, I want a one-page written reflection. What does engineering mean to you? Genuine thoughts.
A personal reflection? That's a lovely first assignment. I already have ideas. I thought that was absolutely brilliant. I loved how he made you think from the very first minute.
Dr. Matthews is genuinely engaging. I thought I might be bored, but I was completely focused the whole time.
The cafeteria is just through here. I came past earlier and the menu looked really good. Perfect! I am absolutely starving. That lecture used up all my energy somehow. Could I have the vegetable pasta bake, please? And is the orange juice freshly squeezed?
It is indeed. Comes in at about 8 this morning.
Great choice. The pasta bake is one of our most...
I'll have the chicken pie, roast potatoes, green beans.
That's what I like to see. Engineering students always order the biggest portions, I find.
Window table, perfect. Look at the view of the campus from here. This is honestly wonderful. I was worried university food would be terrible, but this actually looks delicious. I cannot believe how quickly the morning went. Registration, a coffee, an incredible lecture. It's been much better than I expected, honestly. I was dreading today, and it's actually been really wonderful.
So I asked a professor where the cafeteria was, and it turned out she was the head of the English department, giving me language I've ever heard.
Oliver, only you could turn getting wonderful story.
I'm genuinely crying.
After lunch, shall we go to the library together? I want to get my library card sorted and find where all the textbooks are. That's a brilliant idea. Shall we meet there at 2:30?
Zoe, look at this! There's a photography society meeting tomorrow evening. You should absolutely go.
Oh wow, that sounds perfect. And look, there's a creative writing workshop on Thursday. You know what? I was genuinely nervous this morning and now I feel at home.
Is that too fast? Not at all. That's what it feels like when you're exactly where you're supposed to be.
What subject would you study at university? Tell us in the comments.
The afternoon is just beginning, just beginning. Come with us to the library next.
This building is even more impressive than the lecture hall. It must be hundreds of years old.
My mom studied here and she told me something. The library has over 1 million books. 1 million.
Oh, I could spend my entire 3 years just in here.
It really is something special. Right, let's find the librarian and get our library cards sorted first.
I've just registered a first-year student today. Could I get a library card, please?
Of course. What subject are you studying? I can point you toward the most useful sec for your course straight away. You can borrow up to 10 books at a time, with 1 free renewal.
That's incredible. Larry has over 50,000 ebooks available then, or I'll never get any actual studying done. Oliver, look at this section. There are entire shelves just on sustainable engineering.
I've already found 3 read for pleasure, which I didn't expect to be able to say on my first day.
Over here! I got us the best table in the library. The view is absolutely stunning. This is perfect. I could sit here every afternoon. Shall we actually do some work?
Does either of you understand what the induction module is asking us to do?
I think that's intentional. They want us to approach it however feels natural to us.
At least that's what I'm going with.
Look at that, cherry blossom petals in the afternoon sun.
First day at university, new friends, a brilliant lecture, and this. I think we made the right choice coming here.
I need to say, I am so glad I met you both today. I was genuinely dreading being alone on my first day. It turned out to be brilliant. Me too, Sarah. And I have a feeling it's only going to get better from here.
We should exchange numbers, proper ones this time, not just university email.
And same time this Thursday, library window table? I'll bring biscuits. I keep thinking I'm gonna wake up. This day has been too perfect to be real.
It's real, and it's remember this feeling for when things get difficult.
This morning we walked down here nervous and not knowing anyone.
Now look, and Dr. Matthews, a photography sign up to consider, and the most beautiful library I've ever set foot in.
This morning we walked down here nervous and not knowing anyone.
Now look, and Dr. Matthews, a photography sign up to consider, and the most beautiful library I've ever set foot in.
We walked in through this gate this morning, with our whole university experience ahead of us.
And it was brilliant. Properly, genuinely brilliant. Same gate tomorrow morning, 8:45?
That was our first day at university.
And every single sentence you heard today is something you'll actually use. Excuse me,